Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to boot Facebook link to Roblox profile. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook account and then just copy your username. After that go to Roblox and then click on the setting icon and then click settings. And then just scroll down. You see here social networks, Facebook. Just paste the link here. After that click save. This is what you need to do if you want to boot Facebook link to Roblox profile. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.